The European Union is adjusting its 2035 emissions roadmap, and it is a big signal that the era of the combustion engine is not ending overnight. For years, the direction looked simple: move to zero tailpipe carbon dioxide emissions for new cars. But as electric vehicle demand has cooled in some markets, and manufacturers have warned about costs, supply chains, and consumer readiness, regulators are now leaning toward flexibility instead of an all-or-nothing deadline. Under the updated approach being discussed, the target becomes a 90% reduction in tailpipe carbon dioxide emissions compared to 2021 levels by 2035. In real-world terms, that opens the door for hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and range-extended electric vehicles to stay on sale beyond 2035 as long as overall fleet targets get met. The remaining 10% is expected to be handled through offsets and cleaner inputs, such as lower carbon materials in manufacturing or approved fuels that reduce net emissions impact. There is also a shift in how the 2030 checkpoint would work. Automakers would get a 3-year averaging window from 2030 through 2032 to meet a 55% reduction target versus 2021, which matters because product cycles do not flip instantly. Vans also get a bit more breathing room, with the 2030 requirement reduced from 50% to 40%. This is not a full retreat from electrification, but it is a more realistic bridge for consumers and brands trying to balance affordability, infrastructure, and compliance. If you are a driver who is not ready to bet everything on charging access yet, this kind of policy change is basically the regulators admitting that the transition has to work in the real world, not just on paper.